himself now, boy. He's stomping this motherfucker. He done shot out $40 already. What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know. Right. 1, 2, 3. Lane, I'm gonna go. Give me your beat. Metal Gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. It's the children talking on the be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. Just look over in the corner. But anyway, we're taking delivery of the 2019 Widebody Hellcat Challenger. Let's get off into it. We ain't gonna talk to you. Congratulations to my dog. Yeah. Man, he feeling this motherfucker sinking to the seat for real now. It's the first time in a cat. I definitely feel it. I ain't never been passenger for real. Nobody knows it. Yeah. My boy learning to ride right quick, fucking with the slapstick. Okay. I see it now. Where is that? All the way on the right. You can't see it first. I'm trying to shoot a YouTube. Now I know I can't hurt me. See? He's scared to this thing. Hey, man. And you ain't even downshifted though. That's like for real. I ain't gonna lie, like I ain't gonna say you don't gotta do that shit in this bitch, but I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna say, hey man, I'm gonna perfect that shit. Niggas got me in the cat like, oh shit. Cause I don't never ride passenger, you know what I'm saying? So man, this shit feels so fun. Stupid. When he learned this motherfucker, we gonna get it in. Y'all be ready for that shit, man. It's coming soon. Hellcat coming to the channel soon. It's gonna be a good ass run. I can see that. I can see that. Yeah, you know my dog proud of himself now, boy. He's stomping this motherfucker. He done shot out $40 already. I feel up before I came, my nigga. I feel up when I leave, goddamn it. Hey, we ain't gonna hate though, dig? He loving this shit. I am too. That bitch drinking, man. I know he done shot out about 40. That's what it's about, man. When you get this motherfucker, you gotta get in it a little bit. You got to. I know y'all can't see y'all black asses. That's all good. You did. More horsepower. cat on the loose. New cat on the loose with the beats in it though. Them all slamming. You know, our city hate. So yeah, on me. You know, got the Harman speakers in it. It's a SRT. Now we still gotta learn all the you know, the configurations on the radio that we see all y'all do. But look, he gonna get that shit. Be on the lookout. How many horses come on the regular cat?
Well, see, that's the thing. 15 through.
Oh, so it's different.
Yeah, 15 through 18, I believe, is 707.
Y'all heard that? 15 through 18 is 707.
Don't quote me, y'all. It might be 15.
Don't quote them like Easy E.
Yeah, it might be 15 through 17. But I know 19 started 17.
717. Okay.
I mean, I wanted them extra fuel.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, YouTube, this bitch get down, you know. I know y'all I've been ready to see a cat on the channel. I've been ready to go against one or whatever and all that good stuff, but this motherfucker actually gets down. So whenever we get it up against Ursula, man, it's gonna be one of probably the most epic races of all time. Just like me and D Nasty, you dig? That could be the goddamn thumbnail. Nah, man, but thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's the Ginger. Nah, this my boy car right there, man. Congratulations, man. Man, that motherfucker fly. That motherfucker was sliding. Yeah. I'm talking about every time motherfucker step on it, we get, you know what I'm saying, she want to dance a little bit, so that's pretty cool. So thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact, and I'm out.